Do you love baking cupcakes? And you want to know how to sell cupcakes online correctly? It is easy to start if you already have knowledge of baking and own a nice kitchen. However, it all comes down to how you ship or deliver your cupcakes. What you need to sell cupcakes online. Essentially, there is a list of things you need to have when selling cupcakes online. First and foremost, you should know how to bake cupcakes, and they should taste delicious. 2. You must have knowledge and skill for handling potential dietary issues and safe food preparation. 3. It would be best if you had a bit of food service or retail background. 4. Obtain business licenses or inspections required by your city and country. 5. Ensure right suppliers, regular shopping regimen, sufficient supply of ingredients, and a storage room. 6. Have an excellent understanding of how your baked goods will be marketable. How to sell cupcakes online. Learn the regulations and laws of your state in terms of the food service businesses, and acquire the necessary permits and licenses to start your online business. Moreover, you can obtain your sales tax permit online. Usually, it is free. However, they typically require you to pay the sales tax per month or, at times, quarterly on the cupcakes. Additionally, concentrate on 1 or 2 items when starting. Thus, you have to know how to make cupcakes more profitable, especially on what type of cupcakes your customers like. After that, write a business plan. It is best to keep your business and personal baking supplies separate. Furthermore, contact the local health department to learn and apply the laws to prepare, store, and sell food in your jurisdiction. Online selling preparations. Make a marketing plan on how you can reach your market. In addition to that, you can start a blog to promote your cupcakes. Because of this, you got to have excellent cupcakes photographs and advertising on your website. Start by practicing with your regular camera until you know what does look incredible and what does not. Moreover, you should update it from time to time and customize it frequently with different designs. You can also market your online business through social media websites and search engines, or even flyers and newspapers. Additionally, you can participate in networking events. By doing so, you can ask customers to give word-of-mouth referrals. Tips in advertising online cupcake business. For the most part, social media plays a vital role in marketing nowadays. Not to mention that it is free. Make sure to show personality on your social media websites, since no one likes dull. Remember to offer excellent customer service, treating them with respect and build rapport with them. Also, use special offers to tempt your customers in, like 10% off for every box, 3 for the price of 2, and buy 1 get 1 free. Additionally, get several of your best customers to provide you honest testimonials on your website. Moreover, you can bake themed and specialty cupcakes. For instance, allergy, gluten, and dairy-free, or for Valentine's Day, Halloween, and other seasonal events. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.